In this lesson, I'm going to show you 3 cool places to hang out for guitar solo on your guitar neck. I'm going to help you build a roadmap to the fretboard while exploring these 3 cool places. They can be used in pretty much any key. It will definitely help you navigate around the fretboard and easily find a place where you can start your guitar solo and then expand on. So let's go check out position number 1. We're going to be doing this in the key of A. And I'm also going to give you a little bit of theory of why these positions, these boxes work in that particular key that we're in. So it's going to make a little bit of sense to you what you're actually doing. But I'm going to keep that to a minimum and get you playing really fast in each of the boxes. Welcome to Master Guitar Fret. My name is Jörg. Please take a moment to subscribe, hit the bell so you get notification when new lessons go up. Thank you so much. Key of A on the 5th fret, the bar chord, the E-shaped bar chord. And the reason why I'm starting there is I'm going to show you how to find the first box. The first box is right here. An easy way to find that when you're in the key of A or any other key, just hit the 2 bottom strings and then slide to the root note A. Now you're in that box, okay? And what we're using here is our middle finger, index finger, ring finger, and cover these notes. Another way to find it easily, if you're in that bar chord, the A bar chord, move your middle finger 3 frets. While in the key of A, the first position minor pentatonic scale is right here. And what we're playing here is, these are notes from the 2nd position minor pentatonic scale. We can play the same here in that position, but the shape looks a little bit different, okay? All right, so now we have cleared that up. We're basically playing notes of the minor pentatonic scale here. The notes for this first position is E, G, A, C, D. Now we have 5 notes, but we can extend them. We can play this. That's a B note, and the B is unfortunately not part of the minor pentatonic scale. It's part of the major scale, but it still works. And then down here we can add the E again. Okay, we have an E here. Now, in order to keep it compact without moving your fingers down here, you can bend to them. So we go here from A to B. And here we go from a D to a E. So you can see that in that little box, we have all kinds of cool licks available to us. Let me show you a few, but I really want you to discover what you can do in this box. Here's another one. Here's another one. Okay, and there is so many here. You figure it out, play around a little bit, and we're going to go into the next box. The 2nd position is quite easy to find. From the 1st position, we move 2 frets. 1, 2. And here we are already. The notes are F sharp, A, C, D, E. Now you notice that the A, the C, and the D and the E are part of the minor pentatonic scale, but that F sharp here is not. It's part of the major pentatonic scale. So again, we're mixing some notes in from the major scale. This means that in this box, if your progression is in an A minor, you should not use that note. It might clash a little bit, okay? So, but you can still use the rest of the notes in this box. But don't worry about it. Just play around with it. You'll figure it out yourself anyway. This is also called the B.B. King box. Okay, now you say, well, but there is that stretch right here, right on the B string. Don't worry about that because we're going to bend to that C note. Okay, nice bend. And on that E string, we can also extend to the F sharp here again. That F sharp shows up again. Right? So you can play some pretty cool licks here in this box with these extensions and stay right here in that position. Okay, let me show you a few licks here. And then you can do your own stuff there, right? And this is a good one. Right? So there's all kinds of stuff you can do here. And again, I encourage you just to hang out there and see what you can extract. Maybe throw a backing track on, slow blues in A, get it from YouTube, and just see what kind of notes you can pull out of this box. Each one of these positions is very unique. You notice in position 1, we had a G note. In position 2, we don't have that G note anymore. Right? Unless we, of course, go and move up with our finger. But in the box itself, even with the extensions, there's no G there. But we have that F sharp. That gives that little box a different flavor. And another thing you can do in this box, we always say we can bend to the C. We can also bend to the C sharp right here. Here's the C. Now we're going to bend to the C sharp. Lots of notes available here to incorporate into your licks. And it's so much fun. You can stop the video here and put on a backing track and have some fun with it, or continue on. We're going to cover position number 3. Position 3 is right here. And we can find it easily from the previous position, the position 2. We move 3 frets. 1, 2, 3. This box is not packed into 3 frets. It has one note that is off here, the E note. Okay, but don't despair. We can bend to it right up here. And stay within those 3 frets. That's why this is such a cool box as well. Now the notes here are A, C, D, E, G. All minor pentatonic scale, like we played before. They're repeating themselves on the neck. That little box down here belongs to the 4th position minor pentatonic scale. The extended notes in this position or this box are the E. Okay, we can bend to it, so we don't have to go here. But of course you can still go. We can also slide to it. Okay, you can do that too. And down here we have the G after the A. And we can bend to that. Let me show you a few licks here. We bend B15. Put the pinky on the E15. Okay, that's a cool little lick. A bend, release, pull off. Here's another one. And then play this one. So there is so much fun to have in any of those boxes, and it's just up to you to kind of go in there and play around with it. And you can extract your own little licks, your own sound, and that's what it's all about. Now that we have covered these 3 positions and you start to get comfortable in each one of them, you can start to connect them during your lead solos. We already connected the 1st position here with the 1st box. Or now that you have those reference points, you can connect those positions in any order you want and have fun with it. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope it's going to help you in your guitar journey. Until next time, I will see you soon. Take care.